Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. Why $15,000? I want to showcase running vehicles that the average person like myself can afford and enjoy. Some may need minor work such as brakes or a carb tune-up to be roadworthy, but these vehicles are pretty much ready to go. There may be blemishes, but you know what? That's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, enough jabbering. Let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, here we have the first of two Mustangs today. 1971 Ford Mustang, listed for $14,750 US in Franklin, Indiana. It's been driven 76,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1971 Ford Mustang convertible. This is a beautiful car and purrs like a tiger. 351 Cleveland engine. The top was replaced a few years ago, as well as the interior upholstery. I just put a new Holley carburetor on it as well. Alright, next up we have a hot rodded 1942 Plymouth Business Coupe, listed for $11,000 US in Grass Valley, California. It comes with an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1942 Plymouth Business Coupe hot rod, very rare car, limited numbers due to World War II. 1969 318 engine, 727 auto trans, new Edelbrock 650 carb, new steering rack column from 1965 Buick Riviera. Great driver, still needs some finish work, $11,000 or best offer. And here we have a 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2, listed for $12,000 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It comes with an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1967 Belvedere 2 with 318 engine, automatic trans with dual exhaust. Car does run and drive, but could use a little TLC, but it's priced to sell as is. Original body panels, does have a little rust on the driver's side quarter, but won't need a whole new panel. Trunk floor doesn't have any holes. 14 by 7 inch Mopar rallies with nice BFG tires. Has AC and it works. This is a car that has been in the desert with very little rust with all original panels. Title is in my name. I told you there was another Mustang coming. Here we have a 1964 Mustang listed for $13,500 US in Woodbridge, Virginia. From the seller's description, early Mustang with a rare D code, 289 4-barrel carb, manual 4-speed. Car has power steering, older restoration, strong running, very solid car. Good shape inside and out. Alright, let's move from Ford to Chevy. Here we have a 1977 Chevrolet Camaro listed for $9,500 US in Denver, Colorado. It's been driven 158,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, selling this Camaro for a friend, runs strong, has a 350 with a TH350 3-speed automatic, new Corvette rally wheels and tires. The front seats have been recovered, new carpet, floor pans are new, and new trunk pan. Paint polished up good, nice older repaint, has some blemishes and some spots from old bodywork, but in good shape for its age. Drives good, stops, steers good. Turnkey classic muscle car with a clean Colorado title. Asking $9,500 or best offer. Alrighty, here we have a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed for $13,500 US in Converse, Texas. It's been driven 64,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, original 350 motor and TH350 trans, motor previously rebuilt, runs solid, Jeep steering box, steers tight. Completely new brake system including all brake lines, master cylinder, etc. New exhaust, Flowmaster Series 40 mufflers. Some rust at corners of rear window and quarter panel wheel well lips. Solid trunk and floor, no AC. Staggered American racing rims, back rims are wider, and Cooper tires with great tread. It's pickup time. Here we have a 1950 GMC Pickup, listed for $14,500 US in Blanchard, Oklahoma. It comes with an automatic transmission, has a clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1950 GMC Pickup short bed step side 400 small block Chevrolet engine, 350 turbo transmission, power steering, power brakes, runs and drives good, needs some work on the lights. Not very much rust, will need very little work to make a daily driver. And here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $15,000 in Hermosa, South Dakota. It comes with an automatic transmission, has a clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1923 T-Bucket, 350 Chevy motor, just don't drive enough to keep it. Fun car. $15,000 or best offer. Here we have a 1964 AMC Rambler, listed for $4,000 US in Idaho Falls, Indiana. It's been driven 120,000 miles and has a manual transmission. Seller's description is as follows: straight 6, 3 on the tree, runs and drives, open to trades. Alright, last but certainly not least, I think this is a gorgeous little car. Here we have a 1968 Triumph Spitfire listed for $12,000 US in Lodi, California. Lodi, California? I'm not sure. Lodi, California. It's been driven 102,857 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. Second owner, bought in 1976, at which time we performed an engine rebuild and complete running gear restoration. This car has been stored since 1982. Recent upgrades include new brakes, master cylinder, wheel cylinders and lines, new clutch, throwout bearing and master cylinder, new rubber hoses, new fuel tank, filler neck, fuel pump and lines, rebuilt SU carburetors, new radiator and hoses, new windshield and rubber, new soft top, new body window weather stripping. Paint is in decent shape. New driver and passenger glove boxes. Wood dash is in great shape and gauges work. Original 4-speed works well. New tires on real Mini-Lite aluminum wheels. Original wire spoke wheels and knockoffs available upon request. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Friday Fix 'em Up, which go live every Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.